This is Tog. He's a tank struggling to fit in.
Tog, you're too slow to be a tank.
Slow and stupid.
And too long.
Long and stupid.
Tog's friends call him awful names. HMS Tog, Hot Dog Tog, Beached Whale Tog, and Togboat Tog.
You're so huge, you might as well be a boat.
That's not a bad idea. You don't fit in with the tanks. Perhaps with the boats. With only a little training, you could be the boat. Be the boat. Think like a boat. Swim like a boat. Be the boat. Swim smarter, not harder. That's it. Good form. Now swim with your core. You can do this, Tog. Be the boat. Oh my. You are the boat. Be the boat.